Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Gamer here with another reaction. And today, guys, we're here with a diss track from Shano towards 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍. 𝐑𝐄𝐀𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, it's called Mrs. Wick. So Mrs. Wick, you see Marco drop John Wick, so boss I call him Mrs. Wick. I don't know what go on there. So let's take a look at the cover art first. Let's take a look at the cover art. All right. So this is the cover art towards Miss Wick. As you can see, in dress up Marco Avan. What Marco Avan there so? Marco Avan tongue ring, nose ring, eyelash, the black something on him forehead, lipstick, one bag of go. Alright, let's go. Let's go.
Bumbo, now you say you're tired of the Renee line. Pussy, or you come back with that.
Alright, make a breakdown. Now you say you're tired of the Renee line, so you come back with that. Him come back with that because Renee disrespect him. That's why I would say anyway. And in the martial art rhythm.
Pussy, or you come back with that.
Like it. Ready?
You know, say Renee link me and make me know, say, yo, you see the first time she fly in her life.
Bagman! By your tongue where she land, she say all Rope Road Boulevard, not so long. Got the
Hold on. The first time Renee link him and say, the first time. No, him say Renee link him and say the first time she travel. And when she land, pan Marco.
Bowl, now you say you're tired of the Renee line.
So I guess the war gonna get freak out, you know. Like what heap of be a freak thing go on. Renee start the fuckery, you know.
Pussy, or you come back with that.
Ready?
You know, say Renee link me and make me know, say, yo, you see the first time she fly in her life.
Bagman! By your tongue where she land, she say all Rope Road Boulevard, not so long. Got the long story short, me the Mondays a jam before.
All Rope Road and the Boulevard not so long, you know, say some long road them there. Especially Boulevard, that's on long road. So the man I say, yo, not even them road is so long like your tongue, Marco. Jeez.
Rope Road Boulevard, not so long. Got the long story short, me the Mondays a jam before boom drop the song himself. You never suck a pussy, right finger, shoot them up. Watch him a hold on him all when me.
So him there Hot Mondays. You don't see what Boom Sunday. When him say Hot Mondays him there. When him say Mondays
before boom drop the song himself. You never suck a Bagman! By your tongue where she land, she say all Rope Road Boulevard, not so long. Got the long story short, me the Mondays a jam before.
Him there Mondays a jam. So him there Hot Mondays a jam. You know say Boom a play. And Boom a say, yo, if you never suck a pussy, show up your hand. And him say Marco hold on him hand.
Got the long story short, me the Mondays a jam before boom drop the song himself. You never suck a pussy, right finger, shoot them up. Watch him a hold on him hand. All when me properly pour, now get no show, nobody can walk through the back of me door. Gun
the man say, yo, all when him properly pour, and him not get no show. Nobody can walk through him back door. Cause I remember say Marco say, she no not get no show and one bag of thing and him not no money and ray. So boss I tell you say, yo, even so, no man can walk through my back door. Never.
Properly pour, now get no show, nobody can walk through the back of me door. Gunyam Siri back way when she come off at the phone. Renee.
Gunyam Siri back way when she. Hey Siri. Hold on. Wagwan.
Good evening, gangster for life.
Thank you.
How can I help?
There you go and Bill. You see me? Big up yourself, Siri. Big up yourself. You see me? Yeah. I know you still. Are your sister Millie Wanka? I know you. Big up yourself. Yo, Siri goes like, yo. Yeah, but not call Siri because it's a answer again.
Pour, now get no show, nobody can walk through the back of me door. Gunyam Siri back way when she come off at the phone. Renee, move, make me shot your pussy off fine nose.
Renee, move, make me shut your pussy off fine nose.
Renee, move, make me shot your pussy off fine nose. I no C-section when me a plaster the road. Master the code, conspiracy me a part of the ghost. No.
Hold on. What I notice is, him no answer John Wick. Well, this is the answer to both of them. This is the answer to both of them because him have the same cover art, but him just put a woman face for Marco. Alright, yeah. Alright. So him answer 2 songs in one then, by the looks of it. Alright.
Normally boss, you know straight the whole of road. Master the code, conspiracy, me a part of the ghost. No normally boss, you know straight the whole of Marvel in know. Why you think Melan and Cat them kick him off of the boat?
So we hear fully bad mention Melan them and Cat them not the in a film war with Marco. Now him come do it, him say yo, them kick out Marco out of in place because him not straight Ray. Guys, like I said earlier on, don't mind the what's going on behind me, please. I'm just trying to sort out some things. And change the screen monitor, so that's what I'm looking forward, and not like that. No, I'm looking forward. I mean, and so yeah, but I'm seeing the screen. Don't worry.
I no C-section when me a plaster the road. Master the code, conspiracy, me a part of the ghost. No normally boss, you know straight the whole of Marvel in know. Why you think Melan and Cat them kick him off of the boat? Cause the girl them say you long tongue, honey, them take them clit kiss you. Some a them say you long tongue, honey, them take them clit kiss you. Some a can say you fi dead.
That is a melody from Marco's song. Wait, are we song again? Shit, are we song? Miss you. This are for me falling soldiers. Miss you. So it was the same melody from that.
Why you think Melan and Cat them kick him off of the boat? Cause the girl them say you long tongue, honey, them take them clit kiss you. Some a can say you fi dead cause you fi shoot. Shit now fi
yeah, them sound effect.
Cause the girl them say you long tongue, honey, them take them clit kiss you. Some a can say you fi dead cause you fi shoot. Shit now fi worry cause you long tongue and the tissue. What's the issue? Bumbo, why? Too rainy say. You nyam 2 flower on a pussy jar. All milk from sieve.
You nyam 2 flower on a pussy.
Fear me drink with a 2 flower on a pussy jar. All milk from sieve. Fear me drink with a straw.
Milk. You involved now? You got right song to Milk? But I write the song, yeah, mama.
Milk from sieve. Fear me drink with a straw.
We can't hear me, think God. Wait. Milk, nobody write no song, mama. Nobody write no song of blood clot. Let's go.
But who a pal catch it on your tongue? Milk from sieve. Fear me drink with a straw. Remember who a pal catch it on your tongue? Mary Maca, your mad girl, mama san attack, say. You nyam 2 flower on a pussy jar. All milk from sieve. Fear me drink with a straw.
We must sing like this, so. That melody could come from somewhere. Over melody that.
Shoot, shit now fi worry cause you long tongue and the tissue. What's the issue? Bumbo, why? Too rainy say. You nyam 2 flower on a pussy jar. All milk from sieve. Fear me drink with a straw. Remember who a pal catch it on your tongue? Mary Maca, your mad girl, mama san attack, say. You nyam 2 flower on a pussy jar. All milk from sieve. Fear me drink with a straw. Remember who a pal catch it on your tongue? Mary Maca, your mad girl, mama san. Calm down, not even when me a pray, me know me nambo. Girl them a say you cocky now walk tall tongue.
Calm down. I think when me a pray me about how I'm here. Y'all them a say cocky nah work. Take days off permanently. That's how the days are, not me, man.
I'm done. Not even when me a pray, me know me nambo. Girl them a say you cocky now walk tall tongue. Get a data feed the game, everything installed now. Grip the zig. I make it clap out. Tell the crowd the real breeze. It make you walk so. Big off cuss, kick off bus, flick and chuck. Me can just, me handgun, me fit.
Tell the crowd the main reason why you walk. So what the main reason?
Tell the crowd the real reason make you walk so. Big off cuss, kick off bus, flick and chuck. Me can just, me handgun, me fit and scope, kick off four. What visa that vi-
Lyrics chat there, so.
Calm down, not even when me a pray, me know me nambo. Girl them a say you cocky now walk tall tongue. Get a data feed the game, everything installed now. Grip the zig. I make it clap out. Tell the crowd the real reason make you walk so. Big off cuss, kick off bus, flick and chuck. Me can just, me handgun, me fit and scope, kick off four.
Move! Lyrics! I forget my pull up for that. Lyrics! Lyrics, let's go!
Bumbo, now you say you're tired of the renee line. Pussy, you come back with that. Come to you know, say Renee link me and make me know, say, yo, you see the first time she fly in her life.
Bagman! Pan your tongue where she land. She say, all Rope Road Boulevard, not so long. Cut the long story short, me dey a month. There's a jam before boom drop the song himself. You never suck a pussy, right finger, shoot them up. Watch him a hold down him man. All when me properly pour, now get no show, nobody can walk through the back of me door. Gun yam Siri back way when she come off at the phone. Renee, move, make me shot your pussy off of him nose. I no C-section when me a plaster the road. Master the code, conspiracy me a part of the ghost. No normally boss, you know straight the wall I'm off of the know. Why you think Belan and cat them kick him off of the boat? Cause the girl them say you long tongue, honey, them take them clip kiss you. Some a can say you fi dead cause you fish shoot. Shit now fi worry cause you long tongue and the tissue. What's the issue? Bumbo.
Why?
To Renee say.
You nyam 2 flower on a pussy jar. All milk from CV and you drink with a straw. Remember who a pal catch it on your tongue. Mary Maca your mad girl mama san attack, say. You nyam 2 flower on a pussy jar. All milk from CV and you drink with a straw. Remember who a pal catch it on your tongue. Mary Maca your mad girl mama san.
Calm down, not even when me a pray, me know me nah bow. Girl them a say you cocky nah walk, tall tongue. Get a data feed the game, everything installed now. Click the zig, I make it clap out. Tell the crowd the real breezy, make you walk so. Big off cuss, kick off bus, flick and chuck. Me can just, me and gun, me fit and scope, kick off four. What visa that visa, this steed that drift release, I keep speed and no need for this, me fit and
I'm gonna say that about visa, this visa, that visa, the head boy. Stop talking about visa, man. Hold them, man.
scope, fit and scope, kick off four. What visa that visa, this steed that drift release, I keep speed and no need for this Pro Tools, no see logic, sketching my heater clip. We bone him out like pieces, Smith Johnson, no see magic. Scatter the beat a sick, dog, you no see my fish. I hope on.
Scatter, big up yourself, Scatter. I shall ask them sick.
You nyam 2 flower on a pussy jar. All milk from CV and you drink with a straw. Remember who a pal catch it on your tongue. Mary Maca your mad girl mama san attack, say. You nyam 2 flower on a pussy jar. All milk from CV and you drink with a straw. Remember who a pal catch it on your tongue. Mary Maca your mad girl mama san attack. I mean I said the world ready zone. I mean I said Browns Hall, you know it going no killers, you know. I mean I said Marvally. I mean I said Samakan. Pussy them a big up a place I know how we don't want to see them though. The idiot them man. That's the whole Joe Blaine, Spanish Town, Mobby. You know what's going on, New York, Duppy them boy. Canada, England, whole world. Feel it up in this, hear that? Whole the sour nation. Yes. River.
That boy, you never know. This ain't the first time you get the video. Then you say that. Might as well sing on the rest side. Whoa, the war is on, man. The war is on, the war is on, the war is on, Marco. The war is on. The G reply. The G I say what I say in reply. In my chap, bumbo clock. No. Fire there must see the think a cool breeze. Heat up the war, man. The war there now. Guys. What do you think what I want to do? What do you think what I want to? You know, I'm just reacting. I'm just letting you guys in the comment section have a discussion. Respectfully, you don't know. War nice. Shane, big of yourself, bro. SOR, big of yourself, man. Quick reply to this song where Marco dropped yesterday. Very quick reply. But why you never reply to John Wick though, bro? Like, we did want a John Wick reply before this. You understand? Even though you put, well, can you class this as a John Wick reply? Because you never really addressed not in a John Wick still. Your address more in a Marcus song when dropped last night, SOR, than John Wick to me. But honestly, it a go on, my G. It a go on. Me just love the look war, and that's why I'm always the first to react. You know, you have to give me my props. You know, give me my props. Yeah, give me my props. Yeah, but this time I'm gonna do and say, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you guys think about that song. Yeah? Of course. Him write that one quick, as you can tell. That one I write quick. So I'm still questioning why the next one never write so quick. You understand? Yeah. I know he did say he was gonna be on Jamaica's cruise. Maybe that's why he didn't write so quick. Maybe that's why. All right. So yeah, big up yourself still. Big up yourself. War at war nice. When like the war blazing. Blaze. Yeah, all right. I'll see you guys in the next one, man. Marco, your turn. Let's go.
Salute to 𝐑𝐂𝐓𝐈𝐎𝐍, Jamaica worst gamer, best blogger, best reviews. Salute, hey, pre the views, pre the comment. It's all about world of manners, world of respect. Yeah.